Coming up to that trend, should get slapped here at this trend. Now back under this previous level, 950. See if we can get continuation to the downside. Go ahead and break down, big boy. Yeah, all right. You guys are seeing anything? Oh, am I? Oh, okay. It is showing that I'm streaming. I must have lost connection or something. Let us see. All right, again, back up to this trend, but like I said, I'm expecting it to act as resistance. Broke it, should get slapped right in the mouth off of this. Yep, get that slappage. LSB, what is going on? I just saw LSB flash up here. Did it come back up? No, it didn't. Trash. All right, well, while that's doing that, let me go look at the front page and see what the overall market is doing. Okay, so China warns Trump on tariffs, threatens supply chain payback. All right, here's who will benefit most from Trump tax bills, new salt cap. Amazon Prime Day kicks off. IBM unveils new chips, servers with aim of simplified AI. Porsche sales fall globally, with China leading the slump. Okay. Oh, Indra retesting the trend here. We tested once. There's another time. Let's see if we get slapped back again. And now it has that whole $10 level here. So another time respecting that trend as resistance. 6 seconds left for the close of this. Yep. Now we need to see is those lower highs up. Yeah. Yep. You got a low here at the 930s that you need to break down. Point of control now at 982. We'll see if it starts to get away from this point of control where the majority of trades have happened. Yep, there's those sellers slapping people in the mouth. Slapping people right in the mouth. So imaginary lines are only imaginary until they start to work. It's like, oh boy. Wow. Okay, let's go look at the 15-minute on this one. 15 minutes, definite 998 was an issue with no catalyst. So we will edit this as a 15-minute confirmed resistance. Okay, let's jump to the 5-minute. Definitely got room back here to the $7. Lot of room. Anyway, back over. Oh, let me go look at the overall market, which I have not done today. Let's see what we got here. So the overall market, okay. So it is still at highs up here around 23,000. We keep getting threats from China and all of this about the tariffs, but I feel like it's a circular motion that we're in. Like things just keep happening over and over again. They keep happening. I don't know when the circle will end. I don't know when the bubble will pop, but yeah. Let's jump back over here to oil. Barrel of oil still at 67 bucks a barrel. 67 bucks a barrel, not bad. This one finally making its way down too. So now down about $1. Has room to continue to walk down. But we kind of need to see a test one of these points, maybe the $8 or something like that, before we start looking for a new trend, unless this right here up here makes a new trend, but I don't know if that's going to be possible here. Below 890. LSB, why is it showing $2? What's going on there? It keeps flashing this. It is not at $2. What is it talking about? Maybe I need to refresh. But yeah, Indra is going to be leading the day. I definitely want to see it fell out hard, or see it get that offering catalyst that it has, that it got its name tied into. And I don't know, if your name is tied to offering news and you have no catalyst, I think it's better to be on the cautious side than not and say, hey, this thing could publish that offering news at any time. Let's see. I just got a chime in my ears. What was that? Appreciate that, Sean. Yeah, so basically, yeah, just sticking to my scope, really. Trying to make some profits on some things that make sense. And Indra made sense for the shorts for sure. Okay, it just moved the point of control down. It popped down here to the 882s really quickly. So if it continues to get trading down here, it's gonna move that point of control down here. See if more people come in to join the rally downwards. Yep, keeps popping down here. Point of control 875 now. Anyway, while this thing's doing that, let's go and go around a little bit. So on my signals, let's see what kind of signals are up here today. MB, let's go for some shares float, low float. MSOB, 0, all of these are down. Price spike up. Let's go to movers. Indra, BSLK. So I guess we did see pretty much everything that was moving this morning. That is above $2. Yeah. So yesterday, you know, MBIL had the weak catalyst, but I took the opportunity on it and traded that. But waiting for something with day one catalyst. I want every single trade to have day one catalyst on it. Every single trade to be touching day one catalyst. Be consistent on just getting, you know, the pretty much the simplest criteria met. And then from there, you know, I'm trading trends, trading the ATRs, you know, and just moving it on up. Moving it on up. All right, let's go back to this 15-minute here. So we're seeing the 15-minute is pulling away from that 15-minute confirmed resistance. And now it's coming back towards this 860 level that we seen earlier. So it's in the 860s right now. And that point of control trading below the point of control continue to drag it down. I think it may be below all of them now. Let me go to the 5. Yep, 5 and then 15. Yep. So it's below all of the points of control. All right, back over here. So let's look at our calendar. Let's see if we have any IPOs popping off for today. So today is today. Whoops. We have TLIH. 10 league something. TLIH. May not be any news on that yet. And then M. Okay, limited announces pricing of a public offering, but not a whole lot to look at here. Says this is a holding company, operates through subsidiary. It is engaged in the provision. Oh, in Hong Kong. That's Chinese. Not too worried about that. Okay, something just popped in my ears quite loud. Go back over here to the scans. Nothing. Okay, not too worried about any of that. Okay, back over here to my calendar. Let's see what they're talking about in Benzinga this morning. So it is 7. So up here at 4 a.m. They were, let's see, 3 p.m. Okay, Okay, 2:45 p.m. Good morning, public. Movers is one good spot. Trading public. Let's see what they're calling out. Okay, so KRUS is reporting tonight. Earnings really pick up July 14th. Let's see. Any other tickers called out? CACI. It's trading some big money. Wolf, I saw that one the other day. Okay, so tactical, let's see, GEV. Oh, he's trading some big names. Yeah. BMNR, they're trying to short those. Wolf. Okay, so this is 719, 715, and then right up here. Okay. All right, so they're trying to short things. That's cool. News feed for this morning, we see CRGX stock alert, Cargo Therapeutics. So they're about to investigating whether the sale was fair. BCTX, phase 2 survival achievement patients 1-year milestone in metastatic breast cancer. What's this at? Yeah, 290. It's only a 0.35%, so I don't know, maybe that'll be a later on popper. But it looks like it has some type of news on today. We're going to look into that. Let's see, Grand Eyes ETF Trust. Yeah, let's go look into is it BTCX? Yeah. Bria sale. Let's go look into that. And now it's down to 285. All right. So yeah, it's just the problem with this one is it's not obvious. The stock has been given up, has given up its prior gain. Bria sale shares are trading higher after company announced or reported a 52% 1-year survival rate in its phase 2 metastatic breast cancer trial. And that is news for today. But I mean, who's looking at this? This is a negative 1%. So not obvious. Not obvious at all. Let me see how much volume it has on it. BCTX. 2 million shares traded on it, but yeah, maybe it'll do something, some other day. Maybe just keep it on watch because it's, I don't know. It's got breast cancer news. We know breast cancer can definitely go wild, but it doesn't want to do anything today. It's okay. Just keep it in the back of your mind. You see BCTX popping up. It may be, but it's gonna have to get over 20% for sure. Maybe something to play. All right, so volume definitely dried up on Indra. I'm about to go ahead and get on down. Haven't seen anything that I want to touch this morning that's meeting the criteria. The criteria is over $2, be abnormal, have at least 5 times your normal volume, be over 20%, have a catalyst. Well, I should have started with had a catalyst. Number 1, have a catalyst. Without that, all the rest of them just don't matter. 1, have a catalyst. 2, be abnormal, have a relative volume of over 5. 3, have a gain of 20% on the day. 4, have a ATR. Really, I like ATRs over 20 cents, so I can make 20 cents quickly. But anything under that, like 10 cents or something like that, it's just not moving, man. It's not. You got to be willing to take a percentage of the ATR. So the ATR is 10 cents. You better be willing to take a 2-cent win and get out. What else? Oh, float, micro float. Well, I trade higher floats, but it just depends. They gotta bring the heat. They gotta be doing better than the micro floats. More attention in the micro floats. Let me think. What else? ATR, shares. That's pretty much it. And then after all of that, finding a pattern to get in on. But yeah, Indra probably going to continue to play around. I'm not in any rush this morning. I'm just going to wait. If no catalyst pops out, or if it pops out later on in the day, then I'll definitely be active on it. Now, if Indra pops out with offering, then, you know, people are going to get slaughtered, and it may dive all the way down here to $6, $5. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. There's definitely some fear on it because there's no catalyst. So, but anyway, yeah, I'm about to ship on out, get on to some work, make some more money, stay green, keep these weeks green, man. Keep these weeks green and be patient. But I really don't have that much more to get to my next goal. And so every month I'm setting goals to reach, and just, you know, grabbing the green. If I make $100, slap that stop in. I don't want to take less than $100. Now, sometimes I get slipped, and that's just, I hate when I get slipped, you know, with like $60, $70. I'm like, bro, I just got slipped $30. Come on, bro. But it is what it is. Still adding to the value. $100 a day, $2,000 a month. But this month has been a little bit slower, so I kind of see where, you know, you really got to capitalize on those things that are good, that are going to take you up, because they don't happen all the time. But when they do, they can bless you. You know, you can miss a couple days in a week, and then all of a sudden make $400, $500. It's like, oh, great. But it is what it is. Anyway, appreciate you guys for tuning in for sure. I will update you guys in the Discord. Today should be less hectic than yesterday. I really just did not have time to even, I tried to jump into the Discord and all of that, but I was working. I was like on calls, presenting and trading and doing all of that at the same time. I was like on a call. Okay, where's this level? Boom. Okay, boom, boom, boom. So, you know, it was a hard day yesterday. But anyway, today should be lighter. I know I still got some things to do, but it definitely shouldn't be as hectic. So I'm definitely gonna to be in there a little bit more today. If you don't have the Discord link, it is in the description. Join that up. We are in the market analysis channel. For the most part, I pretty much put everything in there. My trades, my journal entries, all of that stuff. So, but I also go over the journal during the live stream. So either way it goes, you'll see that, and you'll see the ideas that I have. Not just day trading, but we also have crypto. We also have swing trading, dividend trading, all of that. And by the way, I need to do some dividend shopping because I missed all of yesterday. Didn't really get a chance to look into anything, or some crypto shopping, either or. Usually I do one or the other. I do crypto shopping or dividend shopping. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what the time allows for today. But anyway, about to jump out of here. Appreciate you guys once again. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.